Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Also known as Ntariwana. If you're a regular, welcome to the channel, and if you're a new subscriber, please click the notification bell. I promise you'll love this channel. So I've been talking about this video of actually decluttering and organizing my fridge. I'm finally doing it. But unfortunately, I'm doing it when there's no lighting. There's load shedding, so I decided let me just do this video and get over and done with it, because in Jagashlong, every time when I open the fridge and it's still so disorganized. So anyway, let me just show you the fridge. Like I said, it's what's this? Load shedding. There's less lighting, so you might not see exactly what's in here. So I'm just gonna bring the camera forward. Yeah, seriously needs some real deal organizing. Okay guys, so if you guys are interested in having a look at this organizing and decluttering and organizing, please stay tuned. I'm gonna use the organizers that I bought. If you can recall, if you've watched my previous video where I was doing like a homeware haul, and yeah, I did show you guys. I'll just show you a mini clip of the containers that I'm gonna use for my fridge. They might not be enough, but I think they'll do the job. Let's get into it guys, without wasting any time. So I'm just gonna leave these eggs here for now because it's very cluttered on the table. I've put everything on the table, so I'm just gonna separate them according to how I want to place them. So let me just show you how it looks, and then I'm gonna place my organizers on the table and then just try to pick from here. But first we need to wash our fridge. Guys, I'm gonna wash the fridge off camera so that I can save the battery, since now there's load shedding.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
I'm gonna organize this in terms of what is finished, and then whatever that's finished I'm gonna throw away. I've already put some here, and then in terms of what I want to put where, so I'm gonna put my organizers by the stove there because that's the only space I have, and then I'll put everything accordingly. And some apricot and avo. This I actually want to put, like, if I've used, you see with this red pepper, I've used some, so it's so easy to just close the lid so that it's not exposed. I love it. changed my mind again. You! Shame. Show you what we have now. I've actually I have removed this mango and put in some potatoes, and I've mixed some onion and the red onion and the garlic in one container. And then this is where I tried to like put, I don't really need this but Mercy loves it, hey? But it makes everything so clustered. Let me try and see if I put it like this. Yeah, probably I need like scuffed tin for this. I don't want it in here. Or a proper butter butter container. And then in here I put some yogurt and some cheese, and one of these things, they took all the space I need, because first of all, this doesn't look so nice when there's milk and juice in here. I wish it was milk in here and then juice the other side. I don't know, we'll see if I will decide otherwise. So all these sauces, I have organizers in the fridge that come with the fridge, so I'm thinking because it's things that I use almost all the time. Oh my god, I almost forgot that I have oyster sauce. I thought I didn't have it. It's things that I almost use all the time. I have to finish this so that I don't have so many containers of the same product. And then maybe I should transfer this thing in here. What do you think? Yeah, I think I should do that. And then I have this pesto sauce. What's in here? Oh, the market lamb. Yeah. And then your soy sauce. So I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna try to organize all these in the fridge, and all these plastic containers that have water and your tonic and dry lemon and lemonade, I'm gonna put them under or beneath. And also this, I think, but I wish it could actually be in this container. Let me see. I think it fits. Yeah, it fits. And then we'll just see where we put this one. Okay guys, let me see how I organize these things. I'm left with the carrots and my herbs, and in here it's onion that I've already cut, so this is a container for it, but I might just throw away this. I also have this mozzarella cheese. I'm literally not throwing this away. Then this wine, I'll just show you how I've just packed everything, but I think we're done. Oh, let me show you guys. I've decided to to put the tomatoes in here. I know they look kind of like clumsy, but it's whatever. Like I'll actually correct it later. And also my apricots in here. I think we had avo in here initially, so yeah. And then I have my lettuce in there, and that's where I put my avo. Everything that's not clear. I've put my avo in here, and in here I've put like my bacon and what's this, cheese grillers. I've also put these olives in here. I just thought it's okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat them now, hopefully, and then finish them. Oh guys, I also have this. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking maybe all the milk I should put in here, and all these other smaller what's this, lunch boxes. I'm gonna put in my herbs. Yeah, I'm gonna put my herbs in here. Oh my god, I'm excited now. Oh my god, guys, I'm getting frustrated. Like literally, my stuff don't fit. They literally do not fit. So I need to think of a plan. This wasn't an easy exercise, so I did put this in here because they don't fit. I'll probably get an organizer for them. And then in here it's lettuce, and then in there it's avo. And as you open, we have garlic and onion this side, and then we have potatoes this side. I'm thinking I should actually get this thing, one more for the carrots. In here I did put some chili, and then in here it's like your thymes, your rosemaries. Sorry about that, my fridge, once it's open for long, it does that annoying thing. And then mangoes in here and pumpkin. It wasn't really easy, guys, so I'm gonna try to study my fridge and the things that I actually have. I put the sauces this side, and then milk this side, and that juice that doesn't fit at all this side. And then you did see this in here. in here it's also my everyday sauces. And then in here it's Marcy's yogurt, like dairy products. We also have cheese. And then this side, that's where I have like your eggs there. I really love this. I wish I had another one though, because I have a lot of eggs. By the way, I'm selling eggs, guys. I have chickens. And then in here it's your bacon and cheese, and that's chocolate from doing caramel cake, and that's like your nibbles. My husband likes buying these chocolates, and then he never really eats them. I did put Marcy's medication in here, there, and then we have some sparkling water and wine here. So I guess everything fits. We'll just see. I did not organize in here. I don't think I'll need these things in here, honestly. Not now. Like, so yeah, that is all, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you got inspired actually. Oh, I really love this. It looks so neat.